Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Coming up on 6/16 on this Tuesday morning across the 4 states. We're taking a look at the Skywatch Storm Tracker, and as you can see, we have a few showers into parts of southwest Missouri. We have some showers out south of Wichita that might clip parts of Elk and Chautauqua counties as they move on off to the south and to the east. And then we have this batch of strong to severe thunderstorms well off to our southwest. All that severe weather for the time being is going to stay down there. However, our severe weather chances are going to begin to increase a bit as we head into Wednesday. But there's a lot to talk about with the Wednesday severe weather threat. There's some variables here. This is for overnight tonight. After about 1 a.m. or so, we're going to see some thunderstorms begin to develop. Could have some small hail, perhaps some gusty winds. So let's take a look at the future track. Then we're going to talk about those variables that are in play for tomorrow's severe weather threat. We go through the afternoon. We're looking pretty good. Similar to yesterday, mostly clear skies, pretty decent, a bit on the breezy side, a little hotter because temperatures are going to get more seasonable as we get closer to 90. Here we are early tomorrow morning. We start off with a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. Those still could be strong with the small hail and gusty winds. Then we see a bigger complex that's expected right as the KOAM Morning News starts, and it will roll through the area, and we'll have these thunderstorm chances with us through about noon. This is where we could see some additional strong storms with some small hail and gusty winds. So here comes the variable. If these storms clear out, say, before noon, and our atmosphere recovers enough, we could see a second round of severe thunderstorms as we head into the evening. So this computer model here is going off of that possibility. So here we are at 5. We have a few scattered storms, but you can see cloud cover is considerably less and temperatures get to rise. If the atmosphere recovers, then we look at this, a batch of severe thunderstorms developing with damaging wind gusts and perhaps an isolated tornado possible as we head later into the evening Wednesday. If the morning storms work over the atmosphere too much, or it doesn't have an opportunity to recover before the evening, we'll still see thunderstorms, and they could still be strong, but our severe threat is a little bit lower. If the morning storms clear out faster and the atmosphere recovers more quickly, we could see a little bit more intense severe thunderstorms as we head into the evening. So there's a lot of variables, and we're going to have to watch this closely as we go through the afternoon and into the early evening hours tomorrow to determine what exactly will take shape as we head into tomorrow evening. So right now, the expectation is the atmosphere will recover enough to at least generate some severe thunderstorms across the area as we head into the evening tomorrow. By about 10, 11 o'clock, that batch is out of here, and then we stay dry until Friday. So as such, Wednesday, we still have that elevated risk of severe weather for the counties highlighted in yellow. It has been almost unchanged for the last almost 4 days now. So the expectation is the severe weather threat, but there's still that big variable for what exactly is going to happen with the atmosphere through the afternoon. So our better rain chances with the big complex in the morning, the chances are a little bit lower in the evening because you saw on the future track, it's going to be a little bit more confined to a more specific region, whereas the morning storms are going to be more widespread across the area. Outside in Joplin, had some light rain. It has stopped. We're mostly cloudy, 71. The winds have calmed down a bit out there as well. They were gusting up to about 21 this morning. 66 Iola, 68 Pittsburgh, 69 Lamar, 74 Miami, and 70 Neosho, so not a bad start. Again, for our friends down to the south, a few showers, maybe a couple thunderstorms. The rest of us, partly cloudy. We'll go upper 70s by late morning. Our highs today, again, seasonable but hot, right around 90 under mostly clear skies. And as we head into the evening, again, increasing clouds, thunderstorms overnight. We go back into the mid-70s. We'll have more storm chances as we go into Friday, Sunday, and Monday. And unfortunately, look at that. Temperatures begin to rise as well, back into the upper 90s. That's Check Your Forecast. We'll be back with Health Watch right after this.